Good evening, my name is Tejas Patel and I'm doing a presentation for ITECH 6207 Contemporary Challenges for IT Manager. My student ID number is 300057305, and here in next 4 minutes so I'm going to do a short brief presentation for topic call centers. I'll start with the definition. What is call center? Basically, a call center is a centralized office used for purposes of receiving and transmitting large volume of requests by telephone. So you get one fixed office and will be receiving and transmitting large volume of calls. And pretty much all these calls made by customers itself. A large call center is operated by individual company to administrate incoming product support or information inquiries from customers. So if company A selling a product to all the customers, and customers will call company to inquire about the product support or any inquiry regarding products itself. Call centers are used by mail order catalogs organization, telemarketing companies, computer product help desk, or any large organization. So pretty much all the companies now do have the call center to support the customers in any way. Like if you're selling the computers or laptops, you do have, like I'll say HP. If you buy HP product, there will be a call center to call them and ask for assistance when you do install your new software or do install your new hardware or anything in HP computer or any other HP product. How many types of call centers there? There's two types of call centers. One is the virtual call center. So what is virtual call center? The virtual call center is this call center in which organizations' representatives are geographical dispersed, or rather than being situated at the workstation in building operated by the organization. So if company A do have the call center but doesn't have to be in the same building as its headquarters itself. So say if you want to call calls regarding any product itself, it doesn't have to be calls headquarters in Melbourne or Sydney. The call center could be anywhere in the world, but they do have the authority to talk to you with the name of calls itself. So that is called virtual call center. So the virtual call center can be anywhere in the world. It doesn't have to be a specific country or a specific state or city itself. What is contact call center? Contact call center is a central point of enterprise in which customer contacts are made. So if company got a headquarter in some city, then contact call center will be based in headquarter itself, which is center of contact. So if you want to call your insurance company, if you want to call your computer company, if you want to call your car company, then they might have the contact center as well. The contact center has to be in a headquarter itself, so they can provide you all the information, all the supports you need. All these contact heads are all the call centers are part of the customer relation management, so which is CRM. It's enterprise overall company strategy to keep the call centers running and provide the supports customer need. That way they can maintain the good customer service with the customers. How many types of calling? There's two types of call centers calling. The one is inbound calling and the second one is outbound calling. So outbound calling, the customer call center employee will call you somebody to sell their product to us, give them assistance regarding their new purchased product or any type of selling or marketing stuff. That is called outbound calling. What is inbound calling? Inbound calling is customer will call you. So if I'm working in company A, in a company A's call center based in Melbourne, and you the customer, you will call me regarding your new purchased HP product or any problems in your laptop or hard drive or anything regarding to HP stuff. So that is called inbound calling. So help desk, inbound calling is more kind of the help desk. So because customers call the company to get assistance or get help, that's why it calls help desk. What type of recruitment happening in call centers? Like all the call centers training and programs, the new call center agents may include to the following. They do phone screening. If you go and interview to get a job in call center, they will do the phone screening first, and that will they'll check you out how you work on a phone and how you respond to the customers and how you perform in the locked under pressure situation. And then after they do all the attitude test or computer-based call centers test as well. And the third part, they will do the final interview face-to-face with the customer service manager or HR manager, that kind of people. What's the best example at the moment? It's Philippines. Why Philippines? Philippines is also considered as the location of choice due to its less expensive operational and labor cost. Philippines is a developing country, and all the labor is really cheap at the moment. And with the geographical destination itself, it can be all the call center can be located in Philippines, so they can give support to the customers from UK or United States. And the country offers 24/7 multimedia support or any kind of supports for marketing, sales, customer service, crisis management, investing, any kind of business applications. And that's about the call centers at the moment. And thank you very much for watching.